Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Welcome, my dear friends, in our new lessons in Arabic. This course called Practical Arabic, and this course for beginners who can read in Arabic, who can read, able to read Quran, for example, but who wants to understand, to be able to speak. So it will be a series of short lessons, and in every lesson we will have specific goal, just one question, one answer, and some basic grammar rules. So let's start. Our method in this level, as I said, this level for beginners who doesn't know anything in Arabic, just how can read it. So we will focus on the practical side of language. We will look at language as a tool, not as a goal. So we want to learn how we can use this pen, not about when he was created and what is inside this pen and something about this pen. No, we want to know how we can use it. Just in this level, we want to know about this pen from practical side. And also, we don't want to learn about Arabic. We want to learn Arabic himself, just as I said, practical side. And we study grammar only when it's necessary, without going deep into terms and details. Okay, what is our goal in this level? This level is elementary level, so our goal is vocabulary as far as we can, basic questions and phrases, verbs and how they are used in past and present and future tenses, and basic daily conversations. Okay, let's start. Lesson number 1. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Second time. The first question, I think, the most important question when you learn some new language is, what is this? What is this? Because you can ask about anything by using this question. What is this? What is this? What is this? So before we study this question, we should know that in Arabic we don't have helping verbs. What are helping verbs? Helping verbs is am, are, is. So in Arabic, this question, what is this, will be without is. What this? Or if you want to say in Arabic, my house is big, it will be my house big. My house big. Or my father is old, my father old, without helping verbs. And when you want to say in Arabic, I'm a teacher, you will say I teacher, I, without am. So in Arabic, we don't have helping verbs. And by the way, in my language, in Chechen language, in Russian language, we don't have helping verbs as well. And I'm very interested in learning languages, and I want from you to write in comments, in your language, do you have helping verbs? Thank you. So how we can ask, what is this? First word is what. What in Arabic is ma, and sometimes mada with verbs. But in this question, we need ma, what? And this is hada. For example, you can ask me, what is this? Ma hada. Ma hada ya khasu? Ma hada? And I will say, hada qalam. هذا قلم. ما هذا؟ هذا آيفون. هذا آيفون. ما هذا؟ هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. Okay. ما هذا؟ ما هذا؟ هذه الساعة. هذه ساعة. ساعة. Watch. Okay. After that, so now we know that in Arabic we don't have helping verbs. We don't have am, are, is. Other thing we should know before we start to learn questions and answers. Articles. In Arabic, we also have articles. We have two kinds of articles, in definite article and definite article. I hope I pronounce it correct. So indefinite article in Arabic, before we learn in Arabic, I think some of you don't know about these terms in English. You use it, but maybe you don't know these names. So indefinite article is a, an. For example, a pen, a teacher, an apple, and I don't know. So a and an. But in Arabic, we have tanween. Tanween is name of article, but article himself is an, un, in. For example, and also we add it at the end of word. Qalam, qalam, pen. A pen in Arabic will be qalamun, qalamun, and sometimes qalaman or qalamin. It depends on a place in sentence. Sometimes it will be qalamun with un, sometimes qalaman, sometimes qalamin. But we will inshallah learn about it in next lessons. Just qalam. For example, kitab, book, a book, kitabun, 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 kitaban, kitabin, kitabun. So how we can say this is a book, this is a book. We will say this a book. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. So when you speak, you may not pronounce kitabun because Arab don't do it. They say kitab. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. But grammarly, if you pronounce it, it will be correct. هذا كتاب جميل. هذا كتاب. But inshallah, if you want to learn about it, you can find it in tajweed. Tajweed. When you stop at this word, you don't pronounce tanween. You don't say هذا كتاب. But if you continue in your speech, you say هذا كتاب جميل. كتاب. You pronounce it. But when you speak with people, you don't pronounce it. Okay? Okay. This is a book. هذا كتاب. هذا كتاب. And definite article in Arabic is al. In English, the book, the pen, the apple. But in Arabic, al. For example, qalam, pen. Qalam, al-qalam, 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 the pen. Kitab, a book. Al-kitab, the book. Okay? So, for example, al-kitabu jamil. Al-kitab, the book. Jamil. Jamil means beautiful. Jamil. Jamilun. Jamilun, a beautiful. But in English, we don't use indefinite article with adjectives. But in Arabic, we use it. So we say jamilun. Al-kitab jamil. MashaAllah. Al-kitab jamil. Al-qalam jamil. Al-sa'a jamila. Okay? Okay. Al-kitab jamil. So after that, let's take pronounce. Today we need just ana, anta. I, you. I am or you are. But we in Arabic, as we said, we don't have helping verbs. So ana, anta. Ana, ustad. Look at this. Ana, ustad. Ana, ustad. Ustad means a teacher. Ustadun, a teacher. The teacher. Al-ustad. Al-ustad. Say it. Al-ustad. Anta, you are. Talib. Talibun. You are a student. Anta talibun. Anta talibun or anta talib. Anta talib. Anta talib. But Arabs say ant talib. Ant talib. Ant. Okay? So, أنا خصو. أنت محمد. أنا أستاذ. أنت طالب. So now, inshallah, we will start our lesson. How we ask in Arabic, what is your name? So to ask this question, we need to understand how we can use possessive adjectives. What are possessive adjectives? They are your, my, his, her, our, their. Okay? So possessive adjectives in Arabic, first of all, in English we say my name, your name, his name, but in Arabic we add these possessive adjectives at the end of word. Okay? At the end of word. So in Arabic, your name will be name your. Name your. Just learn it. Memorize it. Name your. My name will be name my. Name my. My pencil, pencil my. His phone, phone his. So you should understand it. If you want to speak speak Arabic, you should understand it, and you should think in this way. My brother, brother my. So, okay. So how we can say your name? We add this adjective or possessive adjective or pronoun ka. So ism, name. Ism, name. Ismu ka, your name. Ismu ka. Ismuka. Kitab. Kitabuka. Kitabuka. But when you speak, you say kitabuk without kitabuka. You don't pronounce it. But you can if you want. If you want to learn it, if you want to remember it, say it. It's better. It helps to memorize it. Kitabuka, ismuka. So what is your name, or what your name? Masmuka. Look, you can say ma ismuk, but correct form masmuk, because this alif is hamzatul wasl. So if you continue, you don't pronounce it. So masmuk. Look, masmuk. Ma ismuk, masmuk. Okay. Masmuk. For example, what is your book? Ma kitabuka. What is your pen? Ma qalamuk. Masmuk. And to answer this question, you need adjective or possessive adjective my. My in Arabic is e, and also you add it at the end of a word. So you say ismi, kitab, kitabi, qalam, qalami. Okay, qalami. Ustaz, teacher, my teacher. Ustadhi. Okay, say my student. Student is talib. Say my student. Yes, talibi. I think you said it correct. So my name ismi. For example, ismi khasu. Ismi ana. Ismi khasu. Masmuka. Ismi khasu. Masmuka. And by the way, I think all of you know akhi. Akhi means my brother. And in Arabic, akhi is two words. Akhi, my brother. Akhi. But brother is akh or akhun. Akhun or akh. Akh Muhammad. Akh Ahmad. Akh Umar. Akhi, my brother. Okay? So look at this short conversation. حوار. السلام عليكم وعليكم السلام. ما اسمك? ما اسمك أو ما اسمك? What is your name? اسمي خسو. My name is خسو. وما اسمك أنت? وما اسمك أنت? What is your name? اسمي محمد. You can say اسمي محمد or your name. اسمي فاطمة. اسمي زينب. اسمك جميل. جميل. Do you remember Jamil? Beautiful. اسمك جميل. Your name is beautiful. MashaAllah, your name is beautiful. But as we say it, in Arabic we use indefinite article with adjectives. So we say اسمك جميل. اسمك جميل. أو اسمك جميل. اسمك جميل. شكرا أخي. شكرا means thank you brother. شكرا, thanks. أخي, my brother. So just let's practice it together. السلام عليكم. اسمي خسو. ما اسمك؟ اسمك جميل ما شاء الله. شكرا. طيب, look at this. ما اسمك أنت. This look, masmuk anta. Why we say masmuk ant? Because we say ismi khasu masmuk ant. It's like just a focus or stress in this question to you. Masmuk ant. What is your name? Your name. Something like that. So that's it. And I hope you will join us in our Telegram channel, Arabic Khasu or Real Arabic. There you can get this presentation in PDF form and also other useful materials. And your homework, yes, you have homework. Your homework is write everything down in your notebook, memorize new words and phrases. Try to practice it with somebody. I think you know in your city, in your country, some Arabs. So try to practice it with them. And also write in comments in Arabic, my name is your name. And of course, subscribe if you wasn't. Subscribe, like, and share this lesson with your friends. Let them learn Arabic with you. So you will have people to speak to them in Arabic, to practice new phrases, new questions with them. Inshallah, it will help you and it will help them. God bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.